Hey, what's up? This is Kevin from Peacock Inside Tech, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the Apple Watch Series 5 and give you my thoughts and let you know if you should buy one. I want to start this video by naming some of the benefits of a smartwatch because I always get asked, do you need a smartwatch? The short answer is no, you don't. But I feel like a lot of people confuse a smartwatch with a smartphone replacement. But in reality, it's more like your phone's companion. Wouldn't it be cool if you had a device that you could just wear and it alert you when your phone rings or your phone is out of reach or in your pocket? A device that you can just glance at and see incoming notifications or phone calls without always pulling your phone out of your pocket, or the way you sprint through your home to look at your phone while it's ringing to see if the call wasn't important and then you realize it wasn't important. Well, that device exists and Apple makes one of the best of them. And this year's Apple Watch Series 5 continues to be one of the best, if not the best, all-around smartwatch. This year I went with the aluminum 44mm GPS model since I don't have much use for LTE on my watch. But for people that want to leave their phone at home and go for a jog or a bike ride, should look into the LTE model and stay connected while on the go. I normally always just have my phone with me, so I don't need it. Speaking of jogging and biking, the Apple Watch Series 5 is also a good companion for active people. It has modes to track and measure your activities at the gym, to tell you how long you've been working out, your heart rate, and how many calories you've burned, along with other things. It can also track your jogging and biking routes, and now for hikers there's a cool new compass app to help point you in the right direction. The Series 5 also comes with even more health features this year. It comes with a new noise app that will warn you if your environment is too loud. This is a cool feature. Maybe it will help prevent me from listening to too loud music in my car. The new Series 5 also tracks your menstrual cycle. Okay, I'm not even going to pretend like I know anything about this. So it can also detect if you fall. This is a very important feature because if you fall, your watch will detect it and ask if you're okay. And if it notices that you're not moving, it'll call the emergency services for you. On top of that, it has an updated ECG app that helps monitor your heart conditions and warns you of any abnormal rhythms. I'm not sure how accurate it is, but in theory, that's an awesome feature. And for the fashion conscious, the Series 5 comes in new finishes like titanium and ceramic. The stainless steel and aluminum models are still here though. With all these choices, there should be an Apple Watch style for almost everyone. The aluminum finish is probably the best bet for most people. It's durable, good looking, and a lot cheaper than something like the ceramic or stainless steel versions. Some of the other new features are finally and always on display, but with this feature, battery does take a hit. Even if Apple claims the same battery life as the Watch Series 4 because of the new LTPO display that can reduce the frame rate down to 1 frame rate per second while the always on display is on. With it turned on, I got about a day and a half of battery, and with it off, I got around 2 days. It also comes with new watch faces, the ability to download and install apps directly on the watch, a calculator, and Siri can help identify songs now because of the Shazam integration. That's about it. In this video, I'm introducing the Peacock Inside Tech rating system, PIT rating for short, and this is what that means. P is for purchase it, meaning it's a great all-around device, and if you have the money, just go for it. I, it's worth considering, meaning maybe wait to see what the competition brings out before you buy it. T, trash. Don't waste your time or money on this device. And the Apple Watch Series 5 gets a P rating from me. If you have the cash, I can definitely recommend the slightly better Apple Watch Series 5, but only if you're coming from an Apple Watch Series 3 or earlier. Apple Watch Series 4 owners can skip this iteration, and it goes without saying, only if you own an iPhone because it does not work with Android. Sad face. Well, thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and show that subscribe button some love. You can follow me at Peacock Inside Tech on Instagram for more frequent mobile device updates. See you soon. 999, 1000, 1001.